Good morning, guys. Today's Christmas Eve and December 24th, 2020. Man, this year has been rough. I'm not going to try to sound all jiggity for you guys because nobody just wakes up this early in the morning all happy. I don't know how you guys do that. But what we're going to do today is I'm going to attempt to, because I've never done it, to vlog my gold buying experience or silver buying experience at the gold shop. So I'm gonna take you guys on a journey with me. Come along, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Not really gonna know what to do. I guess just people talk on the camera, right? Like you're crazy, and that's what I'm gonna do. Right now I'm still at the house. I'm still at the crib, you know, surroundings, whatnot, and yeah, let's go. But first things first, we're gonna go to Starbucks. Need some coffee. Let's go. All right, we're at Starbucks, waiting in line, and since it is Christmas Eve, sorry for my dirty ass window, we're gonna do something nice. We're gonna go ahead and pay it forward and pay for the person behind us. This is completely random, certainly in a giving mood, generous mood, and we're just gonna try to make somebody's day today and pay for their Starbucks order. And yeah, let's do that.
Hi, thank you for choosing our service. Can I start you with something hot to eat today?
No, I'm good, thanks.
What can I get ya?
Yeah, can I just get a grande hot white mocha, please?
Grande hot white mocha. You want whipped cream on that?
Yes, please.
Anything else?
That's it.
Beautiful. $5.36. Thank you.
Happy, thank you. All right, guys, so we just put in our order, and yeah, about to pull up, get our order, get our drink, and we're gonna tell the cashier that we're gonna pay for the person behind us. Hello.
Hi, 536.
536. Can I also pay for the person behind
Sure,
me?
it's gonna do it separate, okay?
Yeah, no worries. Okay, guys, just told the cashier that we're gonna pay for the person behind us. To put the camera down because I don't have an holder for now. Ooh, doggy doggy. Ooh. Okay, guys, we got our drink, we got our order, and let me drive here so we don't crash. We got off easy, boys. The person behind us ordered $5 worth of drink, or basically just a drink, and I mean, either way, it would have been cool. I was ready. I was prepared. I pulled out my ATM card just in case. Okay, boys. Now we're just on our way to the bank to get some money out. I don't necessarily like to pay with my card. I don't know why. It's just me. But we're gonna go to the bank before we head to the gold store and see what they got. Got the Starbucks. It says Merry Christmas. It's the season, people. And yeah. So on our way to the bank, you know, just want to talk about like something I started to like notice. I don't, you know, obviously I don't have a lot of subscribers right now, but it's crazy to me. Like, I posted a couple of videos on either Instagram or Snapchat or Facebook, and the funniest thing I started to see is like, you would think the people that are close to you or that you know of or that you've worked with somewhere along in your life would support you in a way, right? Regardless of what it is, right? Like, we go out and buy like goods, like consumer goods, and the funniest thing I see is like, you would think, you know, when you post something like that and say, hey, watch my video or subscribe to my channel or whatever the case, you would think the people that are somewhat, you know, in your environment, not necessarily your close circle, would support you, you know, like, and it's the craziest thing, because like, you you know, this is just from my experience. That shit is baffling to me. Like, you would think that you would just, you know, you see somebody trying to do something new or maybe something out of their comfort zone or whatever it is, you would support it. That you would think when you post something like, hey, follow me on YouTube or support my project, whatever it is, it doesn't even have to be YouTube. You would think that these people would just instantaneously just support, even if they don't even necessarily watch every single one of your videos. Like, just for the fact that like you posted it up there, you put it up, like, I just, you know, again, maybe your thoughts are different. Give me your thoughts. You know, give me a different point of view, right? Challenge my way of thinking on it. It's just crazy to me that like the people that should be supporting you, that are in your, you know, close vicinity of environment of acquaintances, are not there when, you know, when it comes to supporting what you want to do in life. Yeah, just a quick rant, you know, and it's crazy because, again, you know, get in the mindset of supporting your peoples. Like, support your peoples, bro. Like, no matter what it is that they're trying to do, at least they're trying. They're not sitting on the couch. They're not just sitting you know, at home doing nothing. They're literally trying. That could just be fun for them, or maybe, again, it's something to take them out of their comfort zone to try and learn something new. So yeah, we just pulled up to the bank. Let's go get some cash. Alrighty. Put the card in. I'm not gonna show you guys my PIN number, so look away. Take some cash. Alright, we got the other amount that we're gonna take out. A stack. Welcome to Stack City, boys. Sorry, the largest machine can dispense is 800. What kind of bullshit is that? Shit. Well, I guess 800 it is. How the hell ATM gonna run out of money? You know we're in recession if the ATM is out of money, bro. Even the ATMs are hit with the coronavirus pandemic. That's crazy. Welcome to Stack City, boys. Let's go get some gold. Here we are, boys and girls. We've arrived at the Sahara Coins, Precious and Metals. And yeah, that's where we're gonna go get some precious metals. Get this gold-blooded. Let's go. All right, guys, we're all masked up, looking like Optimus Prime up in here. I am Optimus Prime. Autobots, roll out. Well, not really a good attempt, but here we go. We're about to go to the store and yeah, let's see what we can find. Let's go. To Sahara. Where is it? Okay. Let's go, boys. Well, as you can see, guys, we picked a perfect time to go to the store, the gold store, as they are closed. So I guess we're gonna continue this video when they actually open. All right, guys, so just wanted to close out the video. I did check online and it says that they were open today on even though it's Christmas Eve. It did show online that they were closed on Christmas Day. Anywho, you know, just closing it out, I want to greet you all a Merry Christmas. I hope you guys celebrate it with your friends and family. To all my Latinas, Latinos, happy Noche Buenas. Drink a lot, eat a lot, do whatever you need to do. And stay safe, obviously, right? But to everybody else, again, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, celebrate what you celebrate. I hope you guys do enjoy this time of the year, even with all the pandemic and all the sadness that we've been dealing with, and the stress and the trials and tribulations that we've had. But it's good to know that the year is almost ending as well, and let's see what 2021 brings for us. Can be worse, right? So again, I just want to close out the video. I am sorry, I apologize. I guess I'll upload another video where we can actually buy some medals. And again, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Bye.